What's up, YouTube fans? Your boy C-Spec Kurt, and check it out. I'm out here. I got the C63. Got it back over here at the tint shop. All right, as you can see, I got the. I think right here I got 35% on the car. I'm gonna take it down a notch. I'm gonna take this thing down at 12%. Put 12% all the way around. Get the whole car retinted, and we're gonna keep the rear window the way it is right now. So as you can see, the rear window is currently 35%. All right, so I should keep some coppers off me, and plus I don't feel like taking my dash camera out, because you know I got a dash cam installed and all that stuff like that with the rear cameras and all that stuff. So we're gonna leave that in place for now. Depending on how the vehicle turns out, may go darker in the rear, but currently we're gonna keep it like it is. As you can see on the front windshield, I got the dark, you know, the dark sun blocker right there. And on the Mercedes, AS1 line comes way down here, so it's pretty cool to have it like that. So we're gonna rock with it and see how it goes. So I got a few more vehicles I need to bring up here, get the windows tinted. But here, check this out. Let's go over here and look at this company truck. Check out the window tint on it. Looks real good. Look at that. It's beautiful, ain't it? This here is what you call the factory window with tint on it, okay? You cannot see in there, it's crazy. You can see in there from where the light reflects on the other side, but you can't really see in there. You can just see, you get a little transparency in there, but it's actually tint over the window that already is tinted from the factory, okay? And then we got the tint right here. All right, so that's like 5% right there. Might be 20%. And then you got the beautiful tint right there on the front. That look good right there. Oh yeah, perfect. But yeah, you got the truck looking real nice. Tint laid on it real good. But yeah, man, gotta get some darker tint on there. I be rolling and I just be feeling all exposed out there in the streets. So I gotta get something more done, some more work done over here on the Mercedes. So you know we just got the 2500 HD. I'm not sure what the window tint is on that truck. That Camaro was dope. Not sure what the window tint is on that truck, but we're gonna get all that retinted. Gonna pull all that off. Get some high quality Nano tint. Oh, throw my Uber. So, hey guys, so I'm gonna holler back at you. We're gonna get to it. It's your boy C-Spec. Yo, what's up? I'm back. So, I'm in Big Dirty right now, okay? That's my truck's name. Big Dirty, okay? That's what I decided to go with. But as you can see, we're inside of it. This is what the window tint here looks like right now. So I'm gonna get the tint redone in this one. I mean, I got imperfections like this. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you see that right there. A bubble right there next to it. A little stuff going on like the scratches you see in the tint right there. And, you know, just some minor imperfections. But I'm gonna get this thing all darkened up. We're gonna go with something nice and dark. Give it a real nice look. But other than that, guys, you know what I'm saying? Just gonna take it easy, try to figure out what we're gonna do. Get this thing looking right. Things sound good though, don't it? Big Dirty be moving. So, you know, I'm wondering, like, is there some advantages to driving your diesel truck with the trailer mode on, you know what I'm saying? One thing I do like is when I'm downshifting, how I get that kind of like downshift effect from the braking of from the engine brake, pretty much. The engine braking. So what are your guys' insight on that? Is it beneficial, more beneficial, I guess, if you wanna listen to it when it downshift? Hear that? Hear that? A lot of traffic out here, can't really let you guys hear Big Dirty, get nasty. but it feels more torquier. It feels a lot more torquier with the engine brake, with the trailer mode on. So far I'm liking it, but please chime in and let me know some insight on it, because you know it's my first big truck with these type of features and whatnot. And now that I think about it, my Escalade I believe has this option also, so I got to look at that as well. But yeah, just trying to see what do you got based on people with more experience trailering and just all around functionality of the big diesel trucks. Give me a little insight on it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, my main thing today is, you know, I'm getting these windows tinted, and you know, gotta get them done in Big Dirty also, so we're gonna work on that. But I'm gonna come back to you here shortly. I'm gonna be back. Let you see Big Dirty from the outside. Check out the window tint. All right, here, check it out. Let's go. What's up, gang? We back out here. Like I said, take a look at the tint on this thing right here. So this is what it looks like right here. I purchased it like this. As you can see, it's actually not too bad of a tint. It's nice and dark, but I want to go a little bit darker. I think this might be 20%. We're gonna bring it down to 12%. We're gonna get some 12 on here, front and rear, as well as right here on the rear window. I mean, the rear window looks real good actually. I mean, you look at that, it's a real clean tint. But you know, it's been on there a while already, so new to me. We're gonna put something fresh on the windows, get it looking right, you know what I'm saying? And of course the tint that's on my 1500 right here, I did this myself, you know. That's why it looks butchered, you know. I was like, let me just add a little piece of tint right there. That's what that's the shoddy work you get when you do stuff yourself. You settle for stuff, you know what I'm saying? So won't be no settling now though, you know. We're gonna get this thing done right, like it should be done, and that's what it is. Ain't that right, Isaiah? He know what it is. All right, so we're gonna go over here, we're gonna go check out the tint work on the Mercedes, see how that thing coming along, and yeah, we're gonna be back to it. But yeah, that's my baby right there. 2500, 1500. I'm gonna order some a decal to go on the side of the truck right here. It's gonna be like that one, but it's gonna say 1500. If I can get one that say LD, that'd be dope, but I might just throw 1500 heavy duty on the side of that thing, you know, big bro, little bro type thing we got going on over here. So that's what it's gonna be, guys. So yo, stay tuned. Let's get to it. All right, check it out, guys. We back up in here. As you can see, just got wrapped up with the Mercedes, getting the windows retinted. Look at that right there. Was it 12, right? 12? Okay. Yeah, so we got the Nano Ceramic. All right, as you can see, this is what you get with the Nano Ceramic right here. That's that Nano Ceramic right there. Oh yeah, Nano. We're gonna be blocking out all the infrared, heat reduction, ceramic, scratch resistant, and that's what it looked like right there. I mean, that's beautiful, right? All right, so I got the sides done. Didn't do anything on the rear, so you can see through the rear. Not too bad, pretty decent. I might go ahead and get that redone, but that's in the future. But yeah, 2018 C63s. So that's your boy C-Spec Curb, and they took care of it for me. Appreciate it. But yo, we out of here, all right? Peace.